So I guess we should get started on our science project.
Yeah, I guess.
You two are doing a science project together? How'd that happen?
When all the good students partnered up, I was catching a desk nap.
And I was meditating.
You mean staring out the window?
I call it meditating now. Makes me seem all spiritual and junk.
Well, we should get out of their way.
Anybody up for a movie? Pacific Edge 3 just opened.
Yes!
I didn't see the first two. Catch me up.
In Pacific Edge 1, aliens blow up California and make Nevada the coast.
Pacific Edge 2, more aliens, now Missouri's the coast.
Which brings us to Pacific Edge 3, Surf's Up, Cleveland.
Sold. Let's go.
Oh, man, I really wanted to see that. Deals, would you mind starting on the project while I go to the movie?
Why don't you start on the project while I go to the movie?
Why don't we both go to the movie and start on the project tomorrow?
We're a good team.
Wait, hold it right there. Click on the Disney Channel logo to make sure you're the first to see the latest show clips, exclusive interviews, interactive games, and more. Or for more great shows, click on the left or right box. Thanks for watching Disney Channel on YouTube.